In unpredictable times, being prepared isn't optional, it's essential. The right gear can be the difference between safety and struggle. These 15 powerful survival tools ensure you're ready for anything, from harsh environments to sudden emergencies. Let's dive into the essentials that no adventurer or prepper should ever be without. All product links are in the description. Number 15. Flyant High-Powered Binoculars. Spot distant details clearly with these high-powered binoculars built for survival, hunting, or exploration. With 20x magnification and 50mm lenses, they capture crisp visuals up to 1,000 yards away. Multi-layer coated optics and back 4 prisms enhance brightness and clarity, even in low light. The non-slip rubber grip and waterproof build ensure steady handling in any terrain. Lightweight and durable, these binoculars are perfect for camping, scouting, or stargazing on your next outdoor mission. Number 14. Military Tactical Backpack. Gear up with a rugged 50-liter tactical pack built for endurance. Made from water-resistant materials with heavy-duty zippers and double stitching, it's ready for 3 to 5 days of travel or survival. It includes multiple compartments, MOLLE webbing, a hidden pocket, and 2 bottle holders. Padded straps and a ventilated back panel keep you comfortable, while compression straps ensure stability. This pack is perfect for hiking, camping, or tactical missions in any condition. Number 13. Ready America Emergency Kit. Be disaster ready with this compact 72-hour survival kit built for one person. It includes a 2,400-calorie food bar, 5-year shelf life, 6 water pouches, and a complete first aid kit. For emergencies, it adds a whistle, dust mask, poncho, gloves, blanket, and 12-hour light stick. Weighing only 4.2 pounds, it comes in a durable, easy-to-carry backpack. Number 12. 120-serving entree bucket. Stock up smart with this freeze-dried meal kit built for long-term emergencies. With 120 servings and a 25-year shelf life, it keeps you prepared for disasters or long adventures. The resealable pouches preserve freshness for up to a year after opening. Its sturdy, flood-safe container with a carry handle makes transport simple. Each meal is quick to prepare and delicious, ensuring nutrition and peace of mind wherever you are. Number 11. Beacon Wad Camping Hammock. Experience outdoor comfort with this ultra-durable hammock, crafted from thickened gauze for breathability and strength. Reinforced webbing supports up to 550 pounds, while a 4-corner system keeps it stable. It can even double as a shelter when needed. Optional stand support lets you set it up anywhere. No trees required. Compact, portable, and easy to pack, it's ideal for camping, hiking, or relaxing outdoors. Number 10. Tactical Military Watch. Stay ready for anything with this all-in-one survival watch. It packs 23 built-in tools like a compass, SOS, flashlight, whistle, fire starter, thermometer, and card pin within a paracord strap rated for 250 pounds. Dual digital and analog displays let you track 2 time zones at once, while the ABS, case, and stainless steel bottom keep it waterproof and impact resistant. Designed for harsh outdoor use, this watch is the ultimate companion for adventurers and survivalists. Number 9. Estwing Sportsman's Camping Hatchet. Chop, split, or shape wood effortlessly with this durable, full steel hatchet. Its solid one-piece construction guarantees longevity, while the hand-sanded leather grip ensures control and comfort. Featuring a 3.25-inch cutting edge and a protective ballistic nylon sheath, it's compact yet powerful enough for tough jobs. Lightweight at just under 2 pounds, this hatchet is essential for campers, hunters, and outdoor workers needing a reliable, no-nonsense cutting tool. Number 8. EOC Smile Emergency Radio. Stay connected and informed with this all-in-one emergency radio. It features NOAA, weather alerts, AM, FM, SW, bands, a 5,000 mAh battery, and multiple power options: solar, hand crank, USB-C, or AAA. Equipped with a flashlight, reading lamp, SOS, alarm, and phone charging port, it's your lifeline in blackouts or disasters. Compact and durable, it keeps you powered and alert during storms, camping trips, or power outages. Number 7. Sharpall Pocket Survival Tool. Small but mighty, this 6-in-1 sharpener is built for every adventure. With carbide, ceramic, and diamond abrasives, it sharpens straight and serrated blades effortlessly. It also features a fishhook groove, ferro rod for fire starting, and an emergency whistle. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into any pocket or pack. Designed to last over 10,000 uses, it's an essential multifunction tool for campers, hunters, and survivalists. Number 6. Paulin Propane Heater. Beat the cold with this powerful propane heater delivering up to 18,000 BTU of heat, covering 450 square feet. It's perfect for tents, garages, or cabins. With 3 adjustable settings and safety features like tip-over and low oxygen shutoff, it's built for safe, reliable warmth. The low-noise design and caster wheels make it portable and practical for any setup. No electricity needed, just attach a propane cylinder and stay warm anywhere. Number 5. Ned Foss Pocket Folding Knife. Cut through any challenge with this rugged folding knife, built with 8CR14M. Stainless steel. It's corrosion resistant and razor sharp. The drop point blade, G10 handle, seatbelt cutter, and glass breaker make it ideal for emergencies. A pocket clip and locking mechanism ensure safe, easy carry. Whether it's for camping, self-defense, or daily tasks, this versatile knife delivers strength and precision when you need it most. Number 4. Thermacell Mosquito Portable Repeller. Keep bugs away with this scent-free, DEET, free mosquito repeller. It creates a 15-foot protection zone within 15 minutes, no sprays needed. Powered by compact fuel cartridges, it runs up to 12 hours per refill. 3 repellent mats change color when it's time to replace, keeping maintenance simple. Ideal for camping, hunting, or backyard use, this lightweight device ensures outdoor comfort without chemicals or noise. Number 3. Fire Maple Camping Stove System. Cook fast and efficiently with this compact stove system designed for backpackers and campers. Delivering 7,500 BTUs, it cuts boiling time by 30%. The 1-liter pot fits the stove, bowl, and fuel canister neatly inside for easy packing. Featuring a piezo igniter and aluminum body with locking handles, it's safe, durable, and heat-efficient. Compatible with propane or butane canisters, it's perfect for cooking anywhere outdoors. Number 2. Grisho Electric Portable Water Filter. Drink clean water anywhere with this electric filtration system. Its 0.01 micron 5-stage filter removes 99.99% of impurities. Rechargeable by solar, USB, or hand crank, it even doubles as a 3,000 mAh power bank. Weighing just 15.8 ounces, it filters 700 milliliters per minute and can supply a family for days. Built-in LED and SOS, lights make it indispensable for hiking, camping, or survival emergencies. Number 1. Jackery Portable Power Station. Stay powered anywhere with the Jackery Explorer 300. Its 293 watt-hours lithium battery supports 6 devices through AC outlets, USB-C, and DC ports. Weighing just 7.1 pounds, it recharges in 2 hours via AC, car, or solar panel. The MPPT controller maximizes solar efficiency, making it eco-friendly and quiet. No fumes, no hassle. Ideal for camping, road trips, or emergencies. It keeps your gear running when the grid goes down. That's it for this video. Being prepared isn't about luck, it's about having the right tools when it counts. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more survival gear reviews, and share it with someone who loves the outdoors. Stay safe, stay prepared, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.